Hello guys, welcome back to this new tutorial video. Inside this video we will learn how we can fix a broken power bank. Okay, let's get started. I had one power bank like that. It is really strong actually. It has 15,000 milliampere power, and with 6 batteries, 6 lithium-ion batteries, as you can see in here. And let's try to learn how much milliampere we have for each battery, each lithium battery, as you can see in here. The red one is plus and the black one is minus. I am touching, and as you can see it is 3.14, but it has to be 4.2. When I opened it the first time it was a 3.4, which means it is too much low for this type of lithium batteries. The full capacity of that type of battery is normally 4.2. I will wait until 4.2. I am charging right now for that battery. It will return to life. And yes, and also I am learning some things about the electric and electronic, and I will create more content about that. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.